We are now going to do the LCM, which stands for least common multiple. So for the LCM, they're going to ask a question, example, what's the LCM of 3 and 6? So to do this, you need to know your multiplication tables. So to work this out, the best way that I can describe is to do the 3 times table and then the 6 times table. So let's do both. So the 3 times table is 3 and then 6. I'm going to stop there because between 3 and 6, 6 is the biggest number. And you do the 6 table, you just get the 6. You can go on if you want to, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This one is 6, 12, 18, but you don't need to go so far because we are working with the least common multiple. So you only need to look at the smallest number. So let's look at the least common multiple. The question is, what is the least number that appear in both? So the least number that you can see, let's look at the 3 times table. So, and the 6 together. So the least one looks like 6. So that's the least number that appear in both answers. That means the least common multiple equals 6. Okay, let's look at another example. What is the least common multiple of, let's say, 15, 10, and 15? So again, write out the times table. 10 times table gives us 10, 20, 30, 40. And continue, I'm just going to stop there. The 15 times table, you start with 15, 30, 45. So let's look at what is the least number that appear, or the smallest number that appear in both. The smallest number that appear in both looks like 30. So therefore we say that the least common multiple of the 10 and 15, that answer is 30. I always just double check my work. 10, 20, 30, that looks alike. 15, 30, and the smallest number is 30. That looks good. Let's do another 2 examples. What's the least common multiple of 3 and 4? Of 3 and 4. So let's write out the times table. 3 times table and 4 times table. 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and it goes on, but let's stop there for now. 4 times table is 4, 8, 12. If you look at this, the smallest number that appear in both looks like 12. So there's a 3, 6, 9, and not one of 3, 6, 9 or 4, 8 appear in both. So the smallest number is 12. So the least common multiple, try to do the blue color, least common multiple of 3 and 4 equals 12. Let's do the last example. What's a least common multiple of 5 and 6? So let's first do the 5 times table, then the 6 times table. 5 times table is 5, 10, 15. 6 times table is 6, 12, 18, 24. But if you look at this stage, there's no least number. So let's just continue with the times table. 6, 12, 18, 24, then you get 30. Let's stop there for now. 5 table is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So already you can see there's a 30 that appear in both, and that is the biggest number, the smallest number. Let's just double check. 6, 12, 18, 24, I don't see in here. And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, that I don't see in here. So 30 is the smallest one. So the answer for the least common multiple of 5 and 6, that answer is 30. That's the least common multiple. Thank you very much. Goodbye.